Hello everyone, welcome back to part 11. And yeah, so right now I'm in a gold trade and just waiting. I was at the gym when I took the trade because yeah, I placed my order in the morning, and yeah, it tapped me in once I was in the gym, and basically already risk free on a trade. Stop loss is on a break even, and just waiting for partial at 1 to 2. So yeah, that's about it for now. Spain index made some kind of pullback, still valid, I would say. I would call this just as an absorption if it continues to move. And yeah, at the moment we made the first MB, so potentially the second one, and we could go higher. We'll see if that happens. Then US 30 has this MB, now making the second one, but to be honest with you, I am not willing to risk my money. It looks actually great, but yeah, I don't know. I will consider it, but at the moment I don't think so. I will take this entry, but yeah, US 30 potentially could do something the same as actually the entry already would have been tapped. It would be something like this or something like this, but yeah, I will probably not take it. Yeah, then Bitcoin also looking good, but we had already the second MB. This could be the entry, and now we are in a third MB. I don't like that, but overall looks good. I'm fine with missing trade on Bitcoin. It's okay. I just looked at my journal and overall statistics, especially on this account. I am taking a little too much entries, in my opinion. So yeah, I want to scale down the positions that I take. And then yeah, but anyways, I can't take Bitcoin at the moment. I don't like to take third MB. I like to take second one always. And yeah, this happened in the night. So yeah, then coffee. Nothing to do. If it fails this MB, then I will wait for a new validation MB to present itself and start to accumulate. But this could be the first MB. If it starts to push, pause and push again, and that's my entry. But at the moment, literally nothing really to do. And yeah, US 100 died. Yeah, I need validation MB on it. DAX died. Italy died as well, I would say. Yeah, Euro stocks died. UK died. Actually, it didn't make the MB on 6 hour, made on 3 hour or 4 hour. I don't like the price action. I really don't like this. If you compare them to conditions that I like to trade conditions something like this. And I'm fine with missing trade. For example, if market sets up and does something like this, I'm fine with missing this, but this will prove to me that we are in accumulation and we are in a trend, and there's possibilities to keep going higher, and then we will pause probably and start to do something like this. If that happens, then I'm willing to risk my money on it. At the moment, nothing really to do. Then Hong Kong index made its first MB on validation, still valid on 2-day on context or daily. So looking good. Overall, I would say we have also first MB on hourly, and all this could be the second one unless it fails this last leg. But yeah, this could be potential. We'll see. Oops, my cat is jumping on a table. Sorry. Yeah. So with that being said, that's basically it for now. I'm back. And yes, so Bitcoin, as expected, nothing happened. Waiting for, basically, as I was speaking about, that I don't like to take the third MB or fractal inside the third MB. Yeah, and I like to take the second MB, and yeah, just market now is pulling back, so expecting now this to keep going, or failure of a trend and then chopping around until it starts to show some kind of strength on higher time frames, and then we will watch again Bitcoin. We'll see if it holds or not, but yeah. Then looking at gold, took out a partial. It wasn't exactly yet a 2R, it was around 1.95 R. So yeah, it is what it is. I just took it out, so yeah, I just want to take out profits. Why not, you know? And yeah, so with that being said, then I took Spanish index as the first MB, second MB, but it's not on this account. So yeah, then US 30 is dropping, so that's good that I didn't take the entry. It doesn't look, I don't like the price on 2-day. I switch to 2-day time frame, then yeah, there's no strength at all. Like, there isn't strength at the moment. On daily time frame, yeah, we have 2 MBs that are not pretty clear as well. So with that being said, why would I try to risk my money on it? So yeah, we'll see. I really want to see what will happen in 2nd April, the tariffs on European alcohol, etc., that Trump will impose. So then we will probably see something, either start of a new trend or failure and keep liquidating the loss. So yeah, at the moment, I don't know. Yeah, but at the same time, technicals can change. Maybe it will do something like this, but I'm fine with not taking a trade when market doesn't look strong enough. So yeah, yeah, that's about it. Then nothing else really sets up. Everything is dying, to be honest with you. Yeah, none of the markets setting up. So coffee died. If it closes like this on 6 hour, then the setup is cancelled, and I will be waiting for this MB to validate and then new setups to go higher. Yeah, but at the moment coffee is dying. We'll see what happens there. Solana, I was just looking at Solana market, the possible entry, but again, it didn't tap the entry, but again, the 2-day time frame doesn't look that great. We have this could be the first MB that holds the price up. But looking at the EMAs, are we seeing uptrend? Are we seeing something clear? No, we do not. So why would I risk my money on it? This is what I want. And that's the trade I am in. So we'll see. Hopefully it rejects the EMAs and starts to build up again the momentum, because at the moment it's starting to get weak, but hopefully it's just a pullback before the next leg higher. Again, we are right at the all-time highs, so I would say that we will probably sorry, someone is messaging me. Yeah, so I'm back. Yeah, we'll see what market does. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it starts to build up its momentum again. Yeah, so that's about it. I think I will end the episode right now, because I have few things to do. Later on, I'm going on a restaurant and a few other things. So I will not have time to film anymore, and none of the market sets up. Again, sorry. Yeah, so I'm back. None of the market really sets up, and I don't think I will take any more trades today. So with that being said, this is probably it for the episode. Our balance is at $20.4 thousand, which is good. And yeah, so if this trade starts to build up its momentum and doesn't stop me on a break even, then and hits full take profit, then it will be more. Then we will be at 24k. But yeah, who knows? We'll see. We can just take a look at stocks, but I don't really think that market will open in 13 minutes actually. So Yeah, but none of the markets, for example Netflix, I need this. Yeah, Netflix looks pretty good. And for Netflix I need this. So let's send it to our Discord. Yeah. So by the way, join our Discord server. We're posting entries or just chatting about the markets. Some people also are killing. Other members are killing the market. So yeah, join up if you want. It's completely for free. There's no fees or whatever, hidden fees. So yeah, it's completely for free. If you want to join. And yeah, Netflix looks good. Zoom just need an MB. Let's delete this. And basically here's the first MB. And I would like to see the second one. Actually, I will call this as an MB, to be honest with you. This small one as the first MB, and then the second one, and that could be valid entry. AT&T needs a flush. We have, like I said before, 1, 2, 3, and now we are in fourth, and there is in fourth there is another MB, like a fractal inside the fourth MB. I don't like that. I don't want to risk my money on it. So yeah. Then Apple, nothing to do. It looks the same as US30. It has some kind of push, but there's no MBs, real MBs, clear MBs that supports, or MBs that supports the price up, and we can take trades in all this. Or let's say market creates an MB, and this is a little bit choppier, but still it holds the price up. At this point we don't really have that. We have some kind of fractal maybe in here. I don't know. I don't want that. But this clear MB, EMA is rising, and all this is money. So yeah, at the moment there is nothing to do on Apple. Nvidia failing, but looking at the EMA is also not great. But it has 1 MB that holds the price up on context time frame. So again, but on validation I don't have anything. I would need at least 1 MB. So yeah, nothing to do on this one. Meta, nothing. Tesla, nothing. Yeah, it has the MB, but look at the EMAs. There is no strength in them. It needs time. It just needs time. Either it will start to accumulate a little. We will have chop in here, like a stage 1, and then leading into stage 2. And inside there, when we have a push out of this area, it will pause probably. And inside here, I would want to see same shit as always. But at the moment, we don't see that. But at the same time, we could do something like this. It's possible. So yeah. Google, nothing to do. Coinbase, nothing to do. Microsoft, nothing to do. Bank of America. Amazon, I would say again, this is an MB, but yeah, I don't know. This could be an MB. This could be an MB. On daily, on context time frame, 6 hour. 6 hour. I would say is this one. So we have 1 MB and 1 MB. So yeah, it's okay. We could risk money on it, but do we want to? If it starts to do something like this, yeah, why not? At least it has some kind of MB. But again, the EMAs are fucking ugly. Walmart, nothing to do. Yeah, so that's about it. This one is going to the underground, as you can see, and then these also this one, gold, is looking like it will stop me out right now. Let's wait for the break even. Still in a trade, very close to break even. Yes, so looks like we are just now rejecting. It is what it is, but I will end the video right now. We'll see if it stops me out or now rejecting, but yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I need to go, and that's it for today.